a track.
Fucking track.
What is happening? What's going on here? No, I ain't saying.
How the fuck we doing?
Sweet shred.
Oh my.
Shit, they're good.
30. Chat. Colder than them grits, they fed slaves. Need a rappers like water to raves. AKs with bayonets on deck. Rap my sack, sorta like Squidward and his clarinet. I'm in your bitch mouth, but she fantasizing. Staring at the skinny, said it's so tantalizing. Dog, I'm strategizing, plotting on the throne. Master of the ace, sitting on chrome. Dark nights trying to sleep, stomach on fire. Delusional from hunger, so I couldn't get tired. Imagining the equalizer going from green to red. Words that rhyme together just appear all in my head. And I'm sorta like Neo with the Matrix code. Try to escape it, hoping the drugs are not my soul. Say I'm getting old, time's running out. Repeating instrumentals, trying to figure patterns out. I never leave the house, ain't slept in 3 days. Popping pills, writing, drinking and smoking hay. Weaving kicks and snares, trying to dodge these hooks. Keeping it original, something that's overlooked. The way a nigga going might go wrong like Sam Cooke. Or locked up, calling home for money on my bucks. Cause if this shit don't work, nigga, I feel that life. Turn into these drugs, now these drugs turn my life. And it's the downward spiral, got me suicidal. But too scared to do it, so these pills will be the rival. Surpassing all my idols, took the wrong turn. But can't go back now, so let the blunt burn. Cause now it's my turn if I fuck it all up. It took a while to get here, now I depend on these drugs. I took a while to get here, now I depend on these drugs. Triple X.
I didn't know if he's catching. Gotta take my swag pack off, bitch. Fuck it with some.
Jacuzzi.
I told her bring a friend, and girl I got a couple cloud pins, jump in. And all we did was smoke, crack a couple jokes, and then I jumped out and went and pulled up a photo. Oh no, man, shorty kinda fine, she drinking red wine. Her daddy, he locked up, he doing fair time. And I know you wanna kick it with the Clover gang, and right now I'm being suffocated by her titties, man. My partner's on Botany, they'll ride for me. My partner's on Botany, they'll ride for me. In my jacuzzi Gucci, you know I'm making guap. And my painting in my kitchen was made by Basquiat. I'm talking vintage art, I'm known for spinning hearts. And I got two of everything, just like Noah's Ark. prison, she gon' leave with me.
I got a lot of cash that I don't spend on coochie. I got these haters mad. Danny Bonaducci, I'm rolling up that loud. My life is like a movie. I got your bitch soaking wet in my.
Trippy trip.
Sober, my bitches are sober. Damn, I hate being sober. I hate being sober.
What was that, dude?
Damn, I hate being sober. I'm a sober. I don't drink or take a walk, Molly water. We can't stop sober. Hold up, when we roll up, bitches be on us. Tell us smoking, tell us drinking.
Coming, honey, mustard Lambo. I'm blacked out on the dance floor. Got Miley Cyrus in my back pocket and a fat blunt of that Rambo. Fuck Ricky Lake in the Cadillac, snort a Molly line of her ass crack. Have a snort crack on my nutsack, then I hit the road and don't call her back. See, I'm in a Gucci jacuzzi. I got 10 bitches all around me and they're packing them Uzis. I got cameras all around me like I'm filming a movie. I keep a cup full of Barney, I sip it till I'm retarded. I'm the life of the party, these crackers say that I'm gnarly. Roll my blunt so fat, I call that bitch Chris Farley. They say I'm too turned up, I say I ain't even started.
I never knew anything like that in the whole of my life. And one or two people have said to me, I've said it to myself, that's what death is going to be like. And oh, what fun it will be.
We out here.